Hi class, in this video we will be talking about the unit vector. So the unit vector is defined as any non-zero vector v. Its unit vector is going to be the vector divided by the magnitude. So this is a unit vector that has the same direction as v, and essentially what we have taken out of that vector is the magnitude. So we find the unit vector by finding first the magnitude and then dividing. So let's try that in this example here. So to find the unit vector in the same direction as v equals 5i minus 12j. So the unit vector first again needs the magnitude. The magnitude of v is defined as the square root of a squared plus b squared, where a squared and b squared are the I and j components of your vector in position format, in your position vector. So I just first need to plug in my a and b. So a is 5. So I get the square root of 5 squared plus the square root of b squared, which is negative 12 squared. All right, so that gives me 25 plus 144, and I get 13. So the magnitude of my vector v is 13. And so now the unit vector, u, I'm going to call that u for unit, is going to be v over the magnitude of v. So you can also see this as 1 over v times v, which in this case is 1 over 13 times 5i minus 12j. Alright, so now we have to recall our last video where we learned to scalar multiply vectors in position format. So what we're going to do is take that magnitude and distribute it to the a and b component, or the I and j component, the x and y component, whatever you want to call it, of my vector. So really this is 5 over 13i minus 12 over 13j. And that is how you find a unit vector.